If you use these to remove earwax, get rid of them right now. There's even a warning on the box telling you not to put these in your ears. Instead, doctors recommend a revolutionary new device called Tvidler that can safely remove large amounts of built-up earwax with a twist of your wrist. It was invented by a team of Swiss ear, nose, and throat specialists. They learned that 2 in 3 people over the age of 38 suffer from severe earwax buildup and don't even know it. The most obvious sign is hearing loss, but it can also take the form of random headaches, fatigue, or even memory loss in seniors. While in-office earwax removal can help, most people either can't afford it or end up waiting over 6 months for an appointment. So they use cotton swabs or other bizarre methods that end up pushing earwax deeper, leading to punctured eardrums, infection, or worse. These doctors realized the public needed an alternative. So they set out to build a safe and affordable earwax tool that anyone could use. After a year of intensive research with the Swedish Engineering Association, Tvidler was born. Just snap on one of the 6 silicone tips, insert it into your ear, and gently twist to remove your earwax. Thanks to its patented spiraling design, the Tvidler catches all of the built-up earwax and automatically pushes it out of your ear as you twist it. Think of it as a conveyor belt for your ears, gently guiding out all of your unwanted earwax with no risk of injury or side effects. The product launched in 2021 without any marketing or advertising and spread by word of mouth. What the creators didn't expect was for everyone to start showing off their massive earwax removals using Tvidler all over the internet. After going viral, Tvidler sold out within the first 3 weeks and quickly developed a waitlist of over 50,000 orders. The creators of Tvidler have since tripled their production facilities and are offering a 50% off welcome back sale to the public for the next 24 hours. So you can finally ditch your harmful cotton swabs that are not only bad for your health, but the environment as well. Each year, millions of sea creatures are discovered with undigested cotton swabs in their stomach contents. Protect your planet, your health, and your wallet with Tvidler, the world's first reusable, high-tech cotton swab. My advice? Grab one for your friends and family if they have headaches, fatigue, or memory loss. Or if they regularly use cotton swabs. You will be glad that you did. Click the link below to claim your Tvidler today with a 50% discount while supplies last.